This has been included in your kit to enable you to make extra shields to replace the plastic shield as and when you feel like it's gotten too scratched or you can't clean it anymore. You can use any kind of 3-hole punch, whether you use a big one like this or a little one if you've got that at home. It's the same thing. This piece of plastic, in the small one, you're going to put it over here and make sure it's all the way up against the left edge, like that. And then you would put the sheet of transparency into the 3-hole punch and make sure that this plastic piece is right up against the right edge of this piece here. And then you would punch and you would flip this plastic, staying on that same axis, put it back in here, make sure it runs right up to the edge of that, and you would punch again. And then you would have 6 holes on this. I'm going to show it to you on this big one here. So this piece comes this way. Remember, it's the short way, it's not the long way. It always goes on the short way, that way. This piece of plastic needs to run right up against the edge of that. Make sure it's touching there and that it's pushed in all the way. 1 punch. Just turn it right on that same horizontal axis. Push it there and push it this way. Make sure it's touching here and it's touching the back. 1 more punch. And you have 6 holes now. And you're just going to put these holes onto these nibs here. And I like to start at one end and just make my way across. You can start in the middle. Just push those in right there. Get a little click sometimes. You might have to stretch the last one, and then that's the shield. Thank you for giving me the honor to be able to assist you. I'm very blessed, and thank you. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll all get through this together. Namaste.